Hey everyone, not really gonna do it. Actually, I just did. But this is kind of the aftermath of a storm that just happened a little while ago. Hold on. Okay, so there was a storm here, and it did a really big number on places around here. There's lightning everywhere still, but the rain is kind of lowering. If you look outside right now, then you can see that the rain is starting to clear up. But I was out here for the entire thing, the entire storm. It was the best. The raindrops were so hard. It felt like I was being shot by bullets, honestly. It was the best. No matter how much the pain that me, Aiden, my little brother Isaac, and my older brother Damien have faced. Even though the pain was unbearable, we still had a good time out here. I'm taking a walk right now. My house is back there. This is kind of the way that I go to when I'm walking to school. Not really that hard. I'm eating right now, eating Hot Pocket. My fat boy. Yeah. So that's why I might sound muffled sometimes. Yeah. Sorry if I'm saying a lot. I just really don't know what to do at times. I think I just heard my door close from afar. But yeah, and my mom went somewhere. I don't know where she went. My little brother came over here scared because on the news it said that a house flipped over because of the storm, and that he doesn't want our mom to go to Buckeye because that's where the house flipped over. But yeah, there is lightning places. That was cold earlier. I wasn't recording because I was just having the time of my life outside while the rain was pouring. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't really know what else to show you. There's like puddles all around here. When I say I really don't know what to say, cause as some of you may know, I do get bored a lot. That has nothing to do with why I say but some of you may know that I get bored a lot and lost, and I really don't know what to do, so sometimes I need suggestions. Right now I need suggestions. Yeah. But the rain is still coming down. But it's not like hard like it was earlier. I got done changing. And right now I'm taking a walk. I said that already. Sorry because I repeated that. Yeah. That's pretty much it. Holy crap, there's like there's dogs walking around everywhere. I don't know what to do. I'm bored. If you guys have any suggestions of what I should do, comment down below. I will subscribe to Aiden Diaz. His profile picture is let me see. Well, his profile picture is Super Saiyan Goku from Dragon Ball Z, and mine of course is Cuphead, but that doesn't really matter. What matters, actually none of this really matters, but I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to Aiden, no matter how much some of you would hate him, which I get why, because he's kind of an asshole. Gosh darn it, I was gonna say that this channel was gonna be family friendly, but I just said the A word. God damn it, my mom's gonna kill me. She doesn't like when I say bad words. Oh, well, now you know a fact. And I will see all you in the next video. Bye bye.